When your Android Auto app isn't working, you can't get the connection between your car and smartphone, and you might be missing out on valuable features and capabilities. Some users say their Android Auto disconnects automatically after a few minutes, some say the connection doesn't build up in the first place, while some say their Android Auto doesn't connect after a restart. In this guide, I will show you there are some possible solutions that can help us in how to fix the error mentioned above. Let's see it. Method 1. Check if your car and phone support Android Auto. If you have connected your phone and car for the first time and facing the Android Auto not working issue, you need to check to see if your car and smartphone support Android Auto. You can visit Android's official support page or Android Auto help to check your car's compatibility. If your phone has Android 9 or below, you need to install the Android Auto app from the Play Store. If you have Android 10 or up, the app is built into the system. Method 2. Restart your Android phone and your car. Restart is a nice and easy way to fix small Android Auto problems. To restart your Android device, you can press and hold your phone's power button until you see the power off menu. Then tap Restart and wait for your device to turn on again. You should also switch off the unit along with the car. Then power on the car and car unit to check if the Android Auto is working fine. Method 3. Reconnect the devices, clean USB ports and try another data cable. Disconnect the Android phone from the car's unit and then connect back the devices. Make sure the USB cable is properly seated on both ends. Then check if the Android Auto is working fine. If not, thoroughly clean the USB ports of the phone and car unit by using a non-metallic object like a toothpick or Q-tip with rubbing alcohol, compressed air can, etc. to clear out any lint or debris from the ports, and afterward, check if the issue is resolved. If the issue persists, check if using another data cable with a shorter length, as it may have less resistance, clears the error. Method 4. Update your phone and Android Auto app and the firmware of the car unit to the latest build. Android Auto might fail to work if the OS of the phone and the firmware of the car unit is outdated, as it can cause incompatibility between the Android Auto and the head unit. Moreover, if the issue was a result of a bug in the OS, then the outdated phone might be missing the patch and could be the reason for the issue. In this context, updating the firmware of the car unit and the OS of the phone to the latest build may solve the problem. After that, go to Google Play Store and check if there's any available update for your Android Auto app. If there is, install it. Method 5. Clear cache on Android Auto. When you use an app frequently, a lot of cache builds up. Now, this sometimes causes the problem. You can clear the app cache and it will help to fix Android Auto not working properly. Method 6. Check for paired cars. If you've been using Android Auto in another car for whatever reason, this may be conflicting with your existing connection with your own vehicle. Try going to the Android Auto settings menu and selecting Forget all cars to repair. Alternatively, double-check that your car hasn't been dumped in the Rejected Cars list. You can also check if Add New Cars to Android Auto is turned off. If yes, your phone will only charge instead of starting the Android Auto setup process when you plug it in. Hence, enable the Add New Cars to Android Auto option. Method 7. Reinstall Android Auto. Try reinstalling Android Auto in case you're still experiencing issues with the app. Reinstallation can give the app a fresh start, and may fix whatever problem that prevents the app from working properly. You can delete the Android Auto application on your smartphone settings, then open Google Play Store and install it again. Method 8. Reset the Android phone and the car unit to the factory defaults. If none of the above solved the Android Auto issue, then the corrupt OS of the phone or the firmware of the car unit is corrupt could be the reason for the Android Auto problem, and the tedious task of resetting the phone or resetting the car unit to the factory defaults may solve the problem. Before going to that route, make sure to back up your phone, as its data will be wiped cleaned.